Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, aluminum wheels, rear-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers, Bluetooth, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.